let's get to work. We're doing some repairs on the boat today. I got 4 leaking rivets. On this one I already replaced it with a standard rivet. The problem with a standard rivet is it's just got like a ball on the end of it that you pull through to lock it in place. The problem with that is it's not waterproof. It can leak and water can seep through. So instead of using a standard rivet, I ordered these from Hansen Rivets to replace it with the solid tip rivet. On top of putting the new rivet in, I'm gonna seal it with some 3M 5200. This stuff is awesome. And then it's black too. I didn't get the clear or the white. I got black so it would match the bottom of the boat. Okay. There it is. Here, I'll get this camera closer so I can show you guys. That's what we're dealing with there. And we're gonna get another rivet put in it. Let's open up our 3M. Nice little even layer on it, just like that. And we're gonna put it into our rivet gun. Fell in nice and good. Put it in. Cool. It's in there. Yeah, it's tight. Get these ones punched out. We'll do the same. Another perfect drill. Okay. All right. Let's get a more close-up view here. As you can see, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna let that dry. I might come out here with a razor blade and clean this off, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I probably won't do that. DIY project done.